Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install OBS Studio as well as VLC Media Player with a single command. All you have to do is open up your terminal and type this command, which is sudo apt install OBS Studio. Type in your password and hit enter. This will automatically ask you to install OBS as well as VLC because OBS depends on VLC to convert some videos. I don't know, the dependencies on the packages. Press enter by continuing and wait for a few seconds. This will automatically download OBS Studio and VLC Media Player, both of the softwares, and start installing. The installation is about to be finished, and now as you can see the installation is now finished. Now you can just close this terminal and go to your apps section, and now you will find your OBS Studio as well as VLC Media Player. Let me search it for you. OBS Studio right there, and the VLC Media Player as well. Now we have both of the softwares installed. Let me go ahead and show you how you can set up your OBS on your Linux. If you open it up, this will give you two options. If you want stream, select for the first option. If you only want it for recording, select the second option and hit apply changes. This will automatically select the best resolution for your laptop and you will be good to go. Just wait for a few seconds. This is just testing my resolution, and here we have it. Let me just full screen this, and now here we need to add a source. Press the plus icon, enter whatever source you want. I am going with the display capture because I need the full screen here. Just open it up. The settings will be set automatically, so don't need to change anything at all. If you want the cursor to be captured, you can select that, which I did in my video. That is how I do. Also, make sure you turn off the mic section so you don't get annoying voices. You can change some settings here. Let me change some settings where I'm going to go to the output section, and I need to change the frame rate. This is the location where your video will be stored. I need the frame rate to be 60 frames per second because to get the video as smooth as possible. And here we go, nothing else to change. Just keep at the default settings and you will be good to go. If I press start recording, the recording will start. Minimize the icon and recording is done. Let me just stop the recording. Now let me show you how you can open those recordings in VLC Media Player. So after that, just go to your files or file explorer. You will get the default player, but we don't need that, so right click on it. You can see the default player is good but not worth it, so right click on it, go to open with and select the VLC Media Player, and make sure you check this, always use this for file type, and hit open. Now every time, also a quick tip, just turn off the metadata. That's good. And now whenever you open a video, it will automatically open up in VLC Media Player and you can update it regularly. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.